All right, everyone, the 27th of May, the month is coming to an end. This is going to be the last week of the month. We also have pound holiday, gold holiday. So I'm not sure how gold is going to move, but definitely now, well, USD holiday, sorry, not gold holiday. So we'll see. We'll see. Pound, I'm not expecting much. The spread is maybe higher because the pound holiday. So let's take a look right here. Let's do some analysis on daily time frame. Okay, so let's remove this zone. Let's remove all these zones here as well. Hopefully everyone had a pretty good weekend here, obviously. So now, looking at the daily on pound, it looks like we are still crushing it, trying to continue to move up slowly but surely. Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame, see what's going on. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have a resistance forming, we have a support forming at the bottom. Let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame here. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, now we can adjust these zones even more like this. And then obviously looks like we have some sort of support area coming up around 199,630, 199,630 right over here. I think this will be more apparent on the 30-minute time frame. Let's take a look at that. Perfect. So that's where we got the support. And just by looking at this, it just seems like if we do break and close below the support 199,630, I think there's a very good probability we can continue pushing down. You got, like, huge range here, 20 pip huge range. It's a pound holiday anyway. I don't even know why I'm doing these analysis. So yeah, no pound today. Let's take a look at gold. No pound today. Okay, so there's USD holiday in the New York session, which is a given. It's a holiday. There may be volume in London session. I've seen sometimes. Why am I looking at the weekly? Yeah, like I've seen sometimes there's volume in the London session. So we're gonna just draw our zones on gold, and then we'll see where we go from there, right? So I like right now we're creating a support. We're pushing up. Before this, we pushed down, clean candles here. So, I mean, if we can create some more supports on the 4-hour, 1 hour, we can substantiate a bullish move. Okay, well, would you look at that, right? So this is the support on the daily. Right now, we're looking at the 4-hour. Adjust these zones on the 4-hour. We made a support on the 4-hour. Now it looks like we're coming up to fill this wick on the 4-hour, which we actually did. This is a 120 pip 4-hour candle. Let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame here. Now, looking at the 1-hour time frame, I guess we can adjust more zones here now. I guess this is where we're gonna have our sort of like a resistance area, which is where it seems like price is rejecting. It also seems like we broke above this consolidation area here to the left hand side. So we'll see what's happening now. Let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we have some more information. So I guess now notice how this was resistance area to the left hand side, but this is the resistance that we are creating now, right? This one right here. This is what we're creating, and this is at a price level of, what's this price level? 23.47. This is at 23.47, and if you do break above 23.48, there's a very big possibility we can continue pushing up in this, massive range here. Now, looking at it from a 30-minute time frame, what we can see is that we got probably a support forming here. Let's see this. Let's make this zone a little bit smaller. Yeah, right here. We have a support forming here. Price moved up. There was another resistance, which price literally broke and continued to push up. So in this sense, I would say the session trend is bullish. If we can break above this area, I think we can continue pushing up. But let's take a look on the 15-minute. Well, the reason I'm looking at the 15-minute is I'm trying to look at these wicks over here. I'm sorry, sometimes I think about things and I just expect people to know them, and then I can do it. Anyway, so looking at the 15-minute, this is what we got. We got this support forming in the session uptrend. So I guess what I'm going to look for is that if we can break below 23.43.61, I think we got like a 45-ish pip range for price to push down. Since this is a 15-minute, since there's a lot of volume, we're forced to look at this 15-minute zones, right till here, because here we have clean candle, right? So below this area, we can continue pushing down till 23.39. Right now, we're just consolidating, so we just got to wait here now. But in the New York session, I mean, I don't know if this is going to be volume or not. Sometimes I've seen massive pushes of volume in New York session, especially when we come close towards London close. But for here now, I guess we'll have to wait. Yeah, we're just gonna have to wait. Either break above 23.47 or break below 23.44. So we'll see how pound holiday affects gold. It shouldn't, but since there's less volume due to that, it should. I mean, the spreads may up go higher because there's a bunch of bank holidays anyway. So we'll see what happens. Take care, everyone. London session, this pound holiday doesn't make any sense for a London session. There's USD holiday, so it doesn't make sense for the New York session either. So with that said, no live stream today. We're going to see you tomorrow. Take care.